understanding why cancer affects some and spares others. We find ourselves in the throes of a cancer epidemic, a disease that does not discriminate based on wealth or poverty, educational level, age, or religious beliefs. The disease affects people based on these divisions. Category 1. Genetic predisposition plays a role, with some individuals inheriting cancer-susceptible genes. Like many other diseases, people with family history of cancer have higher risk than the general population. Nonetheless, possessing these genes doesn't guarantee cancer development. Lifestyle choices can influence cancer gene expression. Diets, chemical exposures, stress, and chronic inflammation are factors that can activate or silence these genetic risks. For this category, Recommendation 1. Adopt a healthful lifestyle that includes a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables coupled with regular exercise. Healthy eating is an affordable and intentional choice. The field of epigenetics shows us that we can influence our genetic expression through conscious dietary decisions and good lifestyle modifications. There's a recipe of homemade kitchen green tea consisting of ginger, turmeric, peppers, which is highly potent to prevent, reverse, and kill cancer cells. The teas have been used to cure a number of patients. You can subscribe to have many insightful and evidence-based remedies. Category 2. Even those without inherited cancer risk can be affected due to exposure to carcinogens in the environment. Our bodies naturally combat cancer through mechanisms like apoptosis and DNA repair, though constant exposure to harmful agents can overwhelm these processes. Recommendation 2. Minimize exposure to carcinogens and pro-inflammatory substances. Support the body's natural defenses by consuming antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables and maintaining regular physical activity. Category 3. There are exceptions to the patterns observed. From a true life story, an health-conscious, wealthy man who succumbed to a gastrointestinal cancer in his 50s despite keeping to healthy lifestyle and on special diet. Contrasting with a lifelong smoker who lived into his 80s and cancer-free. This highlights that some individuals may develop robust defense mechanisms against cancer cells, regardless of lifestyle, while others may not. Ultimately, factors beyond our control and understanding, which one might attribute to divine providence, seem to influence cancer development, aggressiveness, response to treatment, prognosis, and survival outcomes. This is the God factor. Many atoms, some can still get medical miracles of surviving cancer. Recommendation 3. Have a strong spirit, give it everything it takes to fight cancer. Men ought to pray and faint not. Pray earnestly. For those who believe in Jesus Christ, partaking in Holy Communion has afforded many to have the medical miracles. You can partake personally, no need of any spiritual leader. Seek medical experts' consultation. Prayers will guide you to get the right and good doctors. Know for sure, cancer is not death sentence. For questions, please drop in the comments section. Like, share, and subscribe.